What is up, guys? This is Monster of Tech here, back with another video. And this video is about the new iPhone SE. Now, this is Apple's new SE budget phone. So, this is going to take the place of the iPhone 8. And this is pretty much an iPhone 8 with an A13 in it. So they started off with saying, oh, it has the iPhone 11 Pro chips inside of it. So it's going to be very similar performance to the 11 Pro. Maybe even a little faster because it's a much lower resolution display. This also has portrait mode, which was also on the 8 as well. But this now probably is more advanced. And it has all the stuff that you have with the iPhone 11. But this has Touch ID on it. But it does not have Face ID. So it's just Touch ID. This is still water resistant like the iPhone 8 it replaces. It has 13 hours of battery life, which is about the same as the iPhone 8 standard size. And it comes in black, white, and just as the rumors predicted, it comes in a product red finish. That is probably going to be one of the more popular finishes, and it gets rid of 3D touch. It puts haptic touch. I don't like that, but it's cost saving. They don't like 3D touch anymore. They hate it now. I still like it, but they don't. So they also have an upgrade section, and on here they compare it to the old iPhone SE from 2016. So it's a larger display, which some people might not like. The people who like the small screen, which was what the SE was originally pivoted towards, even though this is a small screen today. But it's much faster, twice as fast and 4 times faster GPU. It has much faster cellular speeds and Wi-Fi, and the iPhone SE now has water resistance. The 2016 one did not. It has longer battery life as well. And then you can also pick and choose from other inferior iPhones like the 8 Plus, and if you were to give me a choice, I would buy the 8 Plus because of the larger screen, but the SE has a faster CPU and GPU. The GPU is twice as fast as the A11, which it replaces. So they also have that, and then we go into the tech specs and we get to see what we can configure it with. So 64 up to 256 gigabytes. It looks like just about the same dimensions as the iPhone 8 it replaces, same Retina HD display. The only change is they got rid of the 3D touch, so it's basically the same as an iPhone 6 display now, instead of a more advanced display. It has the same 4K camera, same HD camera on the front, has more Wi-Fi and cellular. It has Wi-Fi 6 now, which is an upgrade from the 802.11ac. Now it has AX. It has pretty much the same sensors, same built-in apps, and it comes with the same stuff. So it comes with the Lightning connector, with the slow charger, and the Lightning earpods. And then they have the specs. So if you click here, you can see the pricing. So it goes from $399 up to $550. So you can price this up to $550. That's still less than the $699 that is offered with the 11 Not Pro, and much less than the $999 of the 11 Pro and the $1,100 for the Pro Max. So this is a much better savings, much better value phone. This is the best value they've had in quite a while. It's a really good phone for the budget audience, and good phone for most people, even better than the 11. So this has been a Monster of Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.